Recalculating a derived value by hand, everywhere it's used, gets messy fast and easily falls out of sync. In this video you'll use computed to derive a real value automatically, cached and always accurate. Two real refs, price and quantity, that a computed value below will derive from. Total is a real derived value. It genuinely recalculates only when price or quantity actually change. FullName is genuinely derived from to separate refs at once, a very common real-world pattern. UniqueCount runs a real set deduplication and only recalculates when the items array actually changes. A getter and setter make this computed property genuinely writable, splitting an assigned string back into two refs. Manually recomputing a derived value in several places is error-prone and easy to forget. A computed property centralize, that logic once, stays cached until its real dependencies change and is guaranteed accurate everywhere you use it. Computed derives a reactive value from other reactive values and catches the result. A computed property only recalculates when one of its actual dependencies changes. Giving computed a get-set pair makes it writable, not just read-only. Add a computed property that derives a discounted total from a price ref and a discount percentage ref. Next, reacting to a value changing with watchers.